Hey guys, I've got no idea why more people aren't aware of this strategy and why I don't hear anybody talking about it, because it's so powerful and it reduces most of the problems that you're going to face with AliExpress dropshipping. Because with regular AliExpress, you're going to have long shipping times, product quality is hit and miss, suppliers are notoriously unreliable, and margins are typically low. And all this is going to result in unhappy customers, negative reviews, no repeat purchases, more refunds, more chargebacks, like the list goes on. All of these problems are manageable on a small scale only. And look, there are some reliable suppliers with quality products on AliExpress, so I don't want you to think it can never work, because it can. But the problem is, as soon as you scale your dropshipping business using AliExpress, these problems will get out of control and your business will likely fall apart. So the strategy I've used is utilizing VIP listings. And in case you've never heard of a VIP listing or a VIP link, it's a hidden listing that only you and your supplier know about. And this is the listing that you'll order your products from, so your supplier knows it's you and you're going to receive all the perks, which I'll talk about in a minute. So let me run over the process I use. I'll start by sending a short message with a few questions to several suppliers who stock the products I'm selling. And this is essentially how I vet the suppliers who would be suitable for VIP listings. Now, you can send this message to any supplier, and some will be open to VIP listings anyway, but I'm going to show you the best suppliers to contact. Now, you may have heard other YouTubers talk about how they filter the products on AliExpress to only show products in US warehouses or whatever country they're drop shipping to, so they can receive fast shipping. Okay, that's complete bullshit. Okay, well, they're either wrong or they're talking shit. I don't want to go too far off topic, but I'll tell you what's really happening. The supplier is claiming the product is being shipped from the US, but it's still being shipped from China. Okay, but that supplier, they may have access to better shipping lines and it's getting to the US faster. And then they're generating a last mile tracking code from a local postal service, and it looks like it's being shipped domestically when it's still really coming from China. But it's still worth contacting these suppliers, because there is a good chance that they're doing this because they may have access to shipping lines that other suppliers don't. Okay, so they are the ideal supplier to utilize VIP listings. But also be aware that some suppliers just don't give a shit and they claim to have US shipping when it's really taking like 40 days to reach its destination. So they're just blatantly lying. But either way, I want to be sure they're open to creating a VIP link in the future before I work with them. So I'll put an example message on the screen of a message you should send. And this message is on my website. If you want to steal it, I'll link it below. But remember to change the script to suit your business needs, because everyone's message will be a little different. Okay, you may want to send a message like this because many AliExpress suppliers are not large companies like they claim to be. Like, most of them are individuals at home who may be buying the product in bulk and selling them individually, or they're just doing the same as you, which is drop shipping from cheaper platforms like 1688, which is China's version of AliExpress. You want to weed all these guys out and only keep the legit suppliers, because these are the suppliers that you want to work with. And then, based on the response you receive, you can generally find anywhere between 1 to 3 suppliers worth working with. Choose the one that suits your business needs the most, okay? But it's always preferred if you can have a backup supplier. And then I start drop shipping as normal with that supplier on a small scale only. And then once I consistently reach 5 to 10 orders per day, that's when I'll reach out to them about a VIP listing. If it's a low ticket product, you might need more than 10 orders a day. Okay, the more orders you're making, the better. It'll just give you more leverage when negotiating. Now, what you request from the supplier is up to you, and it will vary depending on what you're looking for. You can negotiate lower product prices, which will then give you better margins and enable you to scale a little bit more just to help validate products a bit more. Or if you want your product to reach your customers as soon as possible, you can ask for quotes from shipping lines like AliExpress and C&E Express and 4PX, whatever you want. Always ask for priority processing and make it clear that fast shipping is vital for your business. As long as you're not requesting anything ridiculous and it's fair for you and them, they typically agree because you've already proven that you're not full of shit and you can make them more money. And if they say no, you're just going to go to another supplier. And then the new agreed upon terms are put into a single listing for you only. And this is the listing you'll fulfill your orders through. Okay. And this is so powerful and far superior to regular dropshipping because now you build a relationship with your supplier and you can contact them easily if there are any issues, and you can always make sure that they've got stock on hand. You can have better product pricing or faster shipping or better quality products, whatever you want to negotiate with your supplier. Plus, your supplier knows it's you making the orders, so you'll have faster processing times, and this way it's also kind of far less likely that he's going to screw you over. And there's also minimal risk on your end as you receive most of the benefits of dropshipping without the risk of buying in bulk. And another huge advantage is because it's a separate listing to everyone else, it won't increase the order count publicly. So, other dropshipping copycats won't know that you're utilizing this supplier. Okay, don't underestimate how important this benefit is because product research tools track all this information, and you don't want a bunch of other dropshippers replicating your business because, trust me, they will. Now, I want to be clear about something else. I think utilizing VIP listings reduces a lot of the problems associated with AliExpress and makes it a more sustainable business model. But I still don't think it's sustainable long term because the problems are still there. They're just on a much smaller scale, meaning issues are still likely to arise long term. That's why I use this strategy to just test and validate products safely for a short period of time. Eventually, I still think you should be looking to transition into buying in bulk or working with an agent as soon as possible. Okay, that's the only time I would scale my business hard and confidently. Okay, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.